I want to spend a couple minutes talking about design notes. I know we use these in-house a lot because when working with teams, it's really important that communication stays open. A lot of times you'll create a design doc or a site doc that has all of the information on what's being worked on, what's at the current state. Well, now you can actually just embed them right into the file. So let me show you how you use these. All right, I'll go ahead and open my testbed file again. And I want to add a design note. You can access that from this little server menu right here, down design notes. Okay, you could also right click, and I don't believe you can do that there. You can right click on this file, and all the way down at the bottom is design notes. So there's a couple ways of getting to it. Design notes. All right. So what can we do? Well, we can do some basic things, right? We can say, all right, right now this is in a draft stage. Okay, I remove. Okay, I remove the header from the library. Show this when the file is open. All right, no problem. Close this. We'll save everything. Now, the next time I open that file, it's going to open with this design note saying, oh, okay, I removed it from the library. Maybe I need to add it back. So at this point, I'll say it's a revision 2, and I added it back. And if you want, you can add this little date button. You can click that, and it will drop the date right in. Okay, and then you continue working. So the next time you open it, here you go. Now, if this becomes an annoyance, you can just turn this off, and it won't open, but then you can access it directly. This makes life so much easier when you're working with all of these major files because you can keep tabs on what's being worked on and where you're at with certain things. Now, you could easily get this all in a report. So to get a report, all you have to do is go to Site, Reports, okay, and you can choose how you want. You want the entire site, so we'll just say entire local site. And I want to look at design notes. So you can do all kinds of stuff, but here we'll look at design notes, and we'll hit Run. And then here's some design notes that we have saved for us. At any time, you can just double-click and load that file. So it just really makes for life to be a lot easier when you're creating these types of large websites where you have many people working on the team. It really helps to use those design notes and take advantage of the function that it will add the date and all that kind of stuff directly for you.